Hi, my name is Kelsea, and I finally decided that instead of me waiting to become a billion-dollar CEO before I start sharing my story, I'm going to record everything on a daily basis and share with you guys via my channel. So, welcome to the journey. So, right now, I am a software engineer in Cameroon, and I'm also a final year student at the University of Buea here in Buea. I've been working in tech for a while, but now I'm also interested in business and entrepreneurship as a whole. I want to really understand what it takes to get an idea, build something around the idea, ship it and turn it into a real company that offers values to thousands, if not millions of people around the globe. At this point in time, I am trying to figure that out through different methods such as try and error, reading books, listening to podcasts to gain from the experience of other people too, as that's a means to learn from the failures of others before getting to facing my own failures, which will eventually lead to the success part that I desire. Seeing creators like Stephen Bartlett, Alex Hormozy, those two are the core people, and listening to their story of how they started sharing content right from their early days in their companies just made me so interested in the idea of sharing my own experiences to us and building them up, and also building, and this is going to serve also as a means of accountability to me and to my audiences, which is you guys, as to where am I at the current moment and what I'm doing to move to the next level. Seeing creators like Stephen Bartlett, Alex Hormozy, those two are the core people, and listening to their story of how they started sharing content right from their early days in their companies just made me so interested in the idea of sharing my own experiences to us and building them up, and also building, and this is going to serve us as a means of accountability to me and to my audiences, which is you guys, as to where am I at the current moment and what I'm doing to move to the next level. I've always been interested in content creation, and I've spent a lot of time watching people who share their experiences in tech, business, entrepreneurship, and trying new things in life generally. And some of the core people who have inspired me to want to share things, my journey as I'm learning, is Stephen Bartlett, who I mentioned, and Alex Hormozy, who are like, and not to talk of the top G, Andrew Tate, who shares a lot of insights about life. This will involve the things I'm learning, the things I am trying, the new ideas I'm exploring, the failures I've experienced, and of course the successes. So this isn't me this is not going to be about me pretending to be an expert in any of these domains, whether it's the tech domain, the business domain, or entrepreneurship domain, or even the marketing domain, if I'm going to be talking about that in the future. But it's about me sharing my experiences as I'm trying to become an expert in these industries, and hopefully someday I can talk from the perspective of an expert when I have gained all of these experiences throughout this time. And that's even why I think the idea of sharing content or sharing the journey is very important, because it shows the path in which I took to move from the guy who knows nothing to the guy who is an expert in that field. And so others can see it and think that if this guy could do that, then I can probably reproduce the same thing following a similar path. So this channel is going to be a means for me to share things such as things in technology, software engineering, entrepreneurship, business, and interesting things that are happening in the tech space. And the most important is the information of how I am trying to build build a company around something that's going to solve a problem. So sometimes I'll be reviewing an idea, I'll be reviewing a product that's been developed in the tech space, I'll be sharing my thoughts around maybe a technology or concepts that are appearing, and then other times I'll be sharing my progress on how I am working to build something of my own in the tech space. So if you're interested in business, entrepreneurship, technology, or software engineering, or you just want to see what happens when someone who is where I am decides to document everything and pursue something, while pursuing something, then subscribe. I'm Kelsea again, and this is the beginning.